What is going on, contracting pros? Michael here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about why contractors are broke and invisible online and how to fix it with the simple content infrastructure. And when I mean broke, I'm not talking about broke by you're living under a tent. I mean you could be making so much more money compared to what you are. And the harsh truth is that most contractors aren't broke because they're bad at what they do. It's because nobody sees their work. You're not competing on skill, you're competing on visibility. The loudest contractor wins, the most visible contractor wins, and the contractor posting daily wins. This video, I'm going to break down why contractors stay invisible, how much money they lose because of it, and how to fix it with the content infrastructure that runs on autopilot. There's 3 core problems that I've noticed about why contractors are staying invisible. And the first one is no virality. Your content isn't packaged the way the algorithm wants. It doesn't get pushed, shared, or recommended. And because of the no virality, there's no reach, and that equals no customers. The second is just no value. Most pages have 0 educational content, no tips, no insights, no process videos, and the customers, they can't tell that you're an expert. Lastly, no volume. Posting monthly or randomly is dead. One post won't save you. High volume, it equals high luck. Now, referrals, they feel great until they slow you down. And the reality is they don't scale, they're unpredictable, they depend on other people, they disappear in slow seasons, and they cap your growth. They should come because of your content, not instead of your content. Now, the buying process is always changing, and this is what it looks like in 2026. So they Google you, they click your Instagram or Facebook, probably Facebook, they look for recent content, they binge your page, decide if they trust you, and then they call. So if you're not posting, they assume you're small, you're inactive, you're gone, and you're not in demand. Now, this is why you fail when you try to post content. It's because there's no consistency, no editing, no strategy, no content calendar. You have no time, you post only when you remember, and that feels like work, so you stop doing it. You don't need more motivation, you need a system that works without you. I don't know who said this quote, but it goes, you'll never rise to your goals, you always fall to the strengths of your systems. And I've memorized that, and I love that quote. So now I'm introducing the Contractor Content Engine, and it's just an automated content infrastructure that gets you booked out consistently, but more importantly, it's activity-based where content is getting posted every single day. So let's talk about the very first one, which is virality. So that means viral before and after styles, high retention transformation edits, satisfying job site videos, hook-driven reels, local authority angles, shareable problem solution videos. So this isn't random content, this is content engineered to get pushed. Now the value. So we create quick tips, mistakes to avoid, how to educate reels, tool breakdowns, process explainer videos, FAQs, customer testimonials, and problem solution transformations. In some of these videos, let's say you're a landscaper, you pretty much want to be showing these people or showing, your future customers how to do this stuff even without calling you. And because you do that, that's going to make them want to have you come out and mow their lawns even more. Perfect. This makes the process, I can't even speak. This makes the prospects trust you before they ever call you. Volume, baby. 30 to 120 posts per month. So one day of filming, we don't have to do the one day of filming. What I've found is a lot of you guys have good content already. You just don't know how to compile it, things like that. So you'll get 30, 120 edited videos, daily posting across all platforms. Inbound messages come every week. Volume equals visibility, visibility equals trust, and then trust equals customers. So this is where the fun comes in. So AI videos, It used to be AI avatars, but I watched a video from Neil Patel. He's a really big marketer, and he says that the trend going into 2026 is not AI avatars and AI spokespeople, just because people are wanting more authentic, more human-to-human type of content. But he did not say AI content isn't working anymore. So we have motion graphs and AI voiceovers, which have been working really well. And then like founder recorded videos coming from CEO, founder of the business. So we apply these same models for contractors. Film once, month-to-month content, never think about posting again. Everything else is automated. Now, Alex Hormozi, famous person in the business space, this is his value equation. Value equals dream outcome times perceived likelihood of achievement divided by time delay times effort and sacrifice. So here's how this system maximizes that value. So with the dream outcome, you want booked out schedules, constant visibility, more leads, more trust, more calls. The perceived likelihood, the content modeled from what already works, viral frameworks, proven structures, strategy driven by data. Time delay, literally almost zero. First content goes out live immediately. Effort and sacrifice, let's just move that down here. There's zero. We literally do everything. You do your job, we do the posting. This is why contractors adopting this system grows so fast. Now let's talk about the numbers. So if your average job, let's just go with let's go with roofing, $8,000. Missing even one job per month because you're invisible online costs you, well, $10,000 to $30,000 every 90 days. Every 90 days. Just gotta sit there for a second. So posting daily isn't about content. It's about making money visible. This is what happens when you post daily. More inbound messages, more estimates, higher conversions, credibility, trust. Google reviews. This is a whole nother video that I could talk about. Stronger brand, no more price shopping, booked out schedules. So what we do is we build this content infrastructure for you. 120 videos max, editing, branded templates, captions, daily posting, automation, goes out to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube if you have one, monthly reporting, AI optimization, filming guidance, because a lot of you guys do like to make content and you just need a little bit of help, guidance on what content to make. And then lastly, a system that makes that, oh my gosh, I can't speak. And a system that makes you the #1 contractor in your city and you don't have to lift a finger. So the call to action, if you want to build this business, that does not say that. If you want this system built for your business, DM me the word Reels or comment engine. But honestly, I'm about to change this because if you've made it this far, you're probably super busy. So just like this. If you like this video, well, I don't know if I'm going to be able to see that. Just shoot me a DM and say you're interested, or comment and say you're interested, and I'll take it from there. So it's my job to follow up with you guys just because I know how busy you are. I ran a cleaning business. Just want to end with this. Contractors who post daily dominate their city. Contractors who don't, they stay invisible. Comment down below if you're interested. But contracting pros, that is it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one.